Hey, this is Evan Stormchaser here, and today we'll be opening the July Prodigy member box. So let's go into the mail and open my box. So here are the things we got, and let's go into here and see. So the first thing we got is this protective mask, so let's wear that. Then there was a potion. It was, let's see. All right, one of those. So yeah, a critical chance up. Then there was a morph marble tall fern. So let's use that. And this is what we look like. Then there was 100 of the Fire World currencies, so you can use that stuff in the Volcano World. And then there was this whale, and I think yeah, I can't find that, but I think that was a morph marble. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you don't miss any more Prodigy member box videos like this. And bye!